Hi guys, I hope you are having a great day. This is Riya and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the second part of my video on Learn Alphabets with Riya. Today we are going to learn the next 5 letters from the alphabet F, G, H, I and J. If you haven't watched our first 5 alphabet video, where we learned A, B, C, D, and E, you can check the description below and watch it later. We will be learning how to write the letters and also learn how to write capital and small letters. Let's begin! The first letter for today is F. Do you know anything that starts with the letter F? Let's start our countdown of 10 seconds, shall we? And the time starts now. A fish. That's right. Fish starts with the letter F. Awesome. Now let's write the letter F. Try writing F in the air with your finger. Big F or a capital letter F is a long line with 2 short lines. Small f is a tall line with a little curve and a small line like this. Now we have the letter G. Can you think of something that starts with G? Shall we start thinking now? And begin! Yes, grapes. Grapes start with the letter G. Let's write the letter G together. Big G, also known as capital letter G, is a big curve with little lines inside like this. Small letter G is a circle with a tail like this. Nice writing! Next comes the letter H. What starts with the letter H? Time to guess. Timer starts now. A horse. Horse starts with the letter H. Let's write H. Big H or the capital letter H has 2 tall lines and 1 small line across. Small h is a tall line with a little hump like this. Did you get it right? Hope you did. Now it's time for the letter I. Do you know something that starts with I? Countdown begins now. Yes, everyone's favorite ice cream. Ice cream starts with the letter I. Now let's write I. Big I or the capital letter I is a straight line going from up to down, with 2 lines each on the top and bottom like this. Small I is a little line with a dot on top. The last letter for today is J. What starts with the letter J? Let's think. Don't forget the timer. Jelly. A jelly starts with the letter J. Now let's write J. Big J or capital letter J goes down from the top and makes a curve with a line on top like this. Small j goes down from the top, makes a curve, and also has a dot on top. Wonderful writing, guys! Today we learned the alphabets F, G, H, I, and J. We found fun things and practiced writing capital and small letters. Give yourself a big clap. See you next time to learn more alphabets on my upcoming videos. If you liked this video, please press the like button and do share it with your family and friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on any of my videos. The more likes and subscription you get for my videos, the more motivation you give me to make more such wonderful videos. Hope you all enjoyed it. We will see you all on my next video and I wish you all happy learning. Bye bye.